Welcome to my laboratory. And today, we are doing something a little bit different. We're gonna cosplay. Let's get started. So, to start, I'm gonna do some makeup, I'm gonna do some hair, and I want you to tell me in the comments below who you think I'm cosplaying as. So I am not a makeup guru, so I'm just gonna throw this makeup on really quick, and I'll catch you back in a second. I only have this very basic Naked Heat palette. So it has nudes and browns and reds. So I'm just gonna work with what I got. So I'm gonna give it a dramatic wing. The goal here is to make sure that my eyes are defined. Got our handy dandy eyelash curler. We've got our handy dandy eyelash tweezers. You know, when I first purchased this little tool, it was actually kind of difficult to use. I was so used to putting on eyelashes with tweezers, and after just practicing with this tool and learning the right way to use it, I find that it's easier to put the eyelashes on, and it's a little more sanitary because you don't have to use your fingers or your fingernails to touch your eyelashes and adjust them. I don't know if you've noticed, I do have a hair and makeup look inspired by the character Loba from Apex Legends. You might want to check that out after you watch this one. That is such a pretty color. This is the first time I'm using this. The shade is called Black Cherry and it's from Sephora. So if you ever need to clean up some makeup that you technically messed up, grab yourself one of these and some liquid coconut oil or just coconut oil in general. Liquid's already melted down, so it's a little easier to use. The makeup is complete. Honestly, this makeup really didn't matter. This one was just for you. I know you like to see that. So now, the main event, the hair. Let's get started. So let's see what we have in this bag of goodies. Let's see what we have in this box of goodies. It looks like we've got hair ties and bobby pins. I've got some clips. All right. I've got 2 sock buns. Nice. And 2 scrunchies. All right. Let's see what we can make with that. Who can it be? This character that we will see. Can you help me guess this mystery? Looks like this character has 2 sock buns and 2 hair ties. Seems like we're going to need a middle part. Now I have my hair parted into 4 sections. Wait, I look like a Scary Spice. Wow. Scary Spice. So I hope this is all even. It looks like it is. That's good. Bet. I got 2 braids. So at this point, the hair is, I would say, 75% complete. Drop a comment below and tell me who you think this might be. So I've never worn sock buns like this before. I've only worn one really big sock bun in the back. Got a video on that too if you want to check it out. please work. Perfect. Oh, this has little diamonds on it. That's really cute. Oh. Okay, and then bam. It's working. Okay, cool. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is a hair and makeup look inspired by, well, you let me know in the comments. Who do you think it was? I'm just kidding. That's not all. That's all.